to Style Treats. I hope everyone's doing great, and hello from my new haircut. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, this is old news for you guys, or if you've seen the short that I uploaded, but if not, then hello. I randomly decided to chop off my hair because I was sick of styling my long hair, so I just went all in. Currently I'm not regretting the haircut. I'm liking it because it just changed my whole look and I feel like a new person. We'll see what happens later on. But coming back to today's video topic, I'm going to be sharing what's in my beauty travel bag since I'm traveling this weekend. So I thought I'll just share what all I carry with me, since I learned it the hard way that overpacking is not the solution to everything. So at least I have controlled the beauty and skincare bit of it. So yeah, now without wasting any time, let's get started. Before we start, I'm just going to say this video is filled with tiny cute little products. So yeah, okay, so we'll start off with like the basic steps of skincare and then move on to makeup. So obviously the first product that I have is a moisturizing cream cleanser. Now I personally like this one is because I can remove my makeup with it, just double cleansing it. And this comes in this tiny little tube packaging, which I like. And I don't know if you guys remember, this one is from the Laneige travel kit that I got a while back. That kit has everything that you need, but I tweak a few products here and there for my convenience. Then on to serums. Instead of carrying multiple ones, I'm just going to go in with the most trusted, and that is the hyaluronic acid serum. I got this one from L'Oreal, and this is the 15 ml bottle, and this is so tiny and so cute. And hyaluronic acid just does the job. Like, it is a product that you can use day and night. So yeah, next up with our day and night cream. So now these are from the Laneige travel kit. So here I have the moisture cream. Now this is a day cream that I'm going to be using. Such a cute tiny packaging that I appreciate. And then I have the water sleeping mask. I've been using this one for so long. I have the big tub as well, and it is just so lightweight and so beautiful on the skin. I absolutely love it. And the last two products from the skincare range have to be sunscreen. So this one is from Pink Foundry, and this one is like a tinted sunscreen. So I just feel like it is a very good option if you are someone who doesn't like to apply makeup. So you can just apply the sunscreen. Since it is tinted, it will give you like a sheer base as well. And then I also have the Bioderma Photoderm Max SPF 50. Now this is something that I've been using for a while and I absolutely trust the product. So I'm guessing I will be using this for the body and the Pink Foundry one for my face, just in case if I don't feel like wearing any makeup. Now on to body care. If you have followed me for a while, you guys know that I need a body lotion no matter what the weather is. So I went in with the Bath & Body Works travel size body lotion. Now this is in the fragrance Dark Kiss. I absolutely love the fragrance. It is very, very beautiful. Now on to hair care. I got this set of shampoo and conditioner from Plum. This is their olive and macadamia shampoo and conditioner. These two are such handy picks. Then I also have this tiny dry shampoo as well, because kitne bari shampoo karoge, kitne bari baal style karoge. So dry shampoo is a must, and I've been literally living on dry shampoo for a while now. So yeah. Now on to makeup products. So the first product has to be a concealer, and I got myself the Maybelline Age Rewind eraser. So the first time that I got this product, it was in the wrong shade, so it just made me look like a freaking vampire. But I got the right shade this time. I am in a medium. I will leave the specific shade name on the screen for your reference. But this concealer is, it's magic. Okay, I mean, the great reviews that you might have heard, they are all true. They are all freaking true. It is super lightweight. It just melts into your skin and just blends in so very beautifully. Like, it just doesn't feel like I've applied something. And I'm not a person to apply foundation and like go like full blown with my makeup looks. So a concealer, blush, mascara and lipstick or lip gloss is just fine for me. So yeah, this is something that is really, really nice. it is handy as well, and if I want a full blown makeup look as well, so I can do it with a concealer also. Then to blend in all that concealer, I also carry this tiny little cute beauty blender as well. Since I'm just doing my under eyes, I don't need a full size beauty blender. This tiny one is perfect to carry around. Then I have the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder as well, just to set in the concealer. That is 8. To get my perfect no makeup look, I have my trusted Ilana Dream blush. I absolutely love it. If you have seen my first ever Amazon beauty haul, you guys must have seen that I tried this product for the very first time and I absolutely loved it. And it comes in such a beautiful travel friendly size, so I have to carry it. Then I have the Calabash Zoom and Whoosh mascara. Now this comes like, this has two wands, okay? So the pink one, I use it for my eyebrows, to set my eyebrows, and the second, like the main wand, I use it for my eyelashes, and I'm good to go. Then I have two lip glosses. So this one is a clear gloss from inside, and this one lasts so long and it just gives you that super high shine as well. I absolutely love this one. This is like one of my favorites. And then I also have the Renee tinted lip gloss. Now this is in the shade nude, but I just feel like it just washes me out, but I love the fragrance and how it looks, so I just top it off with some lipstick and I'm good to go. Now last but not the least, I have the star product of this entire video, and that is this plum body loving perfume in the fragrance Orchid You Not. The fragrance is so high end, it just smells beautiful, it lasts also longer, and it comes in this super cute travel friendly size as well. I'm not kidding you guys, if you like floral fruity fragrances, you just have to try this one. It has become one of my favorites. Like, mom and I just went crazy after we tried this one. So this is it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, then please hit the like button, and all the products that I shared with you guys in this video are linked down below in the description box, so do check it out in case you want to get something for yourself. And I will see you all in my next video super soon.